This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-50 SVT Raptor. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, high-intensity headlights, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, an integrated tailgate step, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a power driver's seat, cruise control, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, front and rear reading lights, a sliding rear window, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.